you can see that the futures have come off of the bottom, and that a good deal of expectations that this would be a significant setback were already in play last week. Even the delay from Thursday created a good deal of the damage. And, the question now is how fast do they regroup? What compromises are made? And was this total plan on tax reform going to be smaller in scope?
Stephen, of course, yield moves, which are linked to politics, but yield moves seemed to have a bigger correlation last week on market moves. And it's the same story this morning. We didn't have much move in the yield on Friday, and we didn't see much sell-off in equities. Today, though, both factors are playing out. How closely are you watching what's happening to the yield curve?
Well, clearly taking back expectations of a real massive fiscal stimulus in the United States is going to put us closer to the trajectory we were on before Trump's election. And I think that those expectations were naturally going to wax and wane. There's still 4 months for Congress to get its agenda done, and it was just, I think, a really unreasonable view that there would be no setbacks along the way. In fact, we were quite surprised at just the continued low volatility and confidence that this would all go smoothly. I mean, this is going to be legislative drama. I think it is a surprise to see, what looks like gridlock under one-party control. But in the end, I give it some chance that we're still going to see some significant tax reforms. I think, for example, that tax repatriation of unretained foreign profits is the lowest hanging fruit of all the taxes that might actually pass. I mean, it almost passed. It was almost included under Democrats' plans previously. So they can come back to this. I would say, though, and I think it's very important when you look at market moves now, is you can see dollar weakness, yield weakness. All of this has been very policy dependent. And our view now is that after this policy move, and it's uncertain if we'll actually get it, but whether or not we do, this is the substantial strengthening you're going to see at very late in a cycle for U.S. dollar strength. And we are likely to see substantial strength in other currencies start to emerge over time after a 6-year bull market in the U.S. dollar.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.